Hi, Trident.
Charlie, in the way. Oh, here comes another one. Take a look at that. Look at him. He's like rooting through it like a pig.
Never seen it.
You gonna find some truffles, boy?
He looks like one of those like salamanders or what are they?
Reminds me of a barnyard pig.
Oh man, now there's
Now he
more.
really looks big. He's going for the dirtiest dog at dog park contest.
He's gonna win.
Yeah, he's been in the mud.
I-
He coated himself.
He
That
put
was
his head
chicken
under
bait.
the mud.
Yeah.
We have to get this.
Yeah, you got a belly shot. His belly's filthy.
Oh yeah. Going in for round two?
Oh, so was he getting the mud?
Look,
and
look,
he
watch.
right.
Look at
Oh
this.
yeah.
It's-
Oh my gosh.
and he puts his head underneath.
His whole face into
You
it.
lost a little pig in you there?
Yeah.
It's just that it feels so much cooler when
When
it's
funny, your dog remembered me. Went up to me like
Oh,
right in the
did he,
position
like-
of scratching
Yeah,
my
yeah. You know it. He's a smart boy.
You should see your face.
Talking to.
You've got mud on your face.
So this is us at Dogwood in Jacksonville, Florida. And Trident is the dog we found when we came home from Afghanistan. And we're just starting to learn that he loves mud. And so we just thought we'd make this little video. If any of you are from northern Florida, this is a great place to come. It's called Dogwood off Salisbury Road. And it's one of the top 3 dog parks in the nation. And then over here we've got Coffee. Coffee, say hi over here. Come here, Coffee. Coffee. Get Trident. Get. He's a kill Trident. He went in the mud.
Oh yeah. That cool mud feels good. Ugh. Ugh. Ooh, bless you.
Where's he gonna look, man?
Yeah, you did good. And this is why I wear black pants. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's still dripping all over my foot. Good boy. Feels good. Yeah, it's nice and cool. If you feel his fur, it's
Yeah.
cool. It's not hot anymore.
So when we wash them, they don't probably want to be clean. They want to be dirty.
Well,
Dirt,
I'm just thinking maybe we should just start washing much cooler
water.
water. Maybe they won't be so adverse to getting back.
And we feed Trident a half a chicken raw a day. And he has no hip bone, a hip ball. They had to cut it off because on his right leg, you can see his right leg's a little weaker because he had been hit by a car or maybe someone hit him and broke his leg. And now he's happy. What's that? And this is dogwood. You can see how beautiful it is. And they've got a giant lake over here and watering holes and a big field with obstacles. And then all that area over there, back in the woods back there, are just probably about 30 different trails to go walking through. It's called Dogwood, Jacksonville, Florida, off Salisbury Road. One of the top 3 dog parks in the nation. So yeah, I hope you guys can bring your dogs here and be a part of this wonderful experience for your furry friends. I'm Eric, never quit, and we'll show you another clip soon.